I'll show you how to create collections on Shopify. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
So, what you want to do, you open up your online store and you press customize. You look, I have already added some featured products, but I want to add a featured collection or collection list. I press add section here and I add collection list. And as you can see, collection list pops up here. But first, I need to make my collections. So I will save the progress so far by going in the top right and pressing save. Then I'll go out and exit. I'll go into products in the left, press left click, open this up, and then go down into collections and open this up. I have already created a few collections. I have deleted my collections. Now I can start from scratch. I press create collection with my left click. I give it a title, for example, the summer t-shirt collection. Then I can add a description. Then I can move down and change the collection type. It can add items automatically, but we prefer it to add the items ourselves, so we select manual. Then we can add an image and we press save down here in the right, and we have successfully created a collection. Now we go to our products. We select all the products that we want to add to this collection. I want to add all my products here. I select them all. I go and press the three dots. I scroll down, add to collections, and I select the collection that I want to add them to. I press it and I press save. After I have done this, I go back to my store. I go open up the customize tab. I scroll down and I find my collection list, and I select it. And on the right it pops up a new section. It says collection, select collection. I press this and I select my collection. I confirm the selection down below, and that's it. I can remove this because they're empty by clicking the can, and I can save my design on the top right. After I have saved it, let me show you how it looks on the web page itself. I exit and I press the eye on my online store. It opens up, and when I scroll down, you can see the collection right there. Thank you for watching. That is it.